So the first step is to create a platform to put the trap out hive on. And the next step will be to clean up that hole, seal it off, and actually put the trapped funnel there. So to see how far back and how far down the empty chambers are in this tree, I drilled 2 holes about 18 inches apart from the entrance, and both of them are hollow, and both of them have honey. They're plugged after smoking, and there's a great deal of activity. So in spite of all the disruptions, these are remarkably calm and nice bees. They're now flooding the exterior of the trapped out funnel, and we hope that they will soon migrate into the hive with 3 frames of wax and honey. We'll bring some eggs back later. So here's the final look. Everything is secure, well screwed in place, gaskets tight, bees can only go out. So here's the job, 9/13/24. Everything is in place. All we need now are the bees to stop landing on the funnel trap and begin entering the tidy and beautiful hive that we have here with some honey and open comb.